People who have yellow-stained teeth often have difficulty interacting with people because they are embarrassed and even ashamed of their condition. There are a lot of factors that contribute to teeth being a yellowish color. Most of these are the types of food that we eat as well as what we drink. It is natural that teeth get stained, but the important thing is that you take care of your teeth with proper oral hygiene. If you're having trouble getting your teeth back to their pearly white color, here are some ideas that you can try to get rid of your yellow-stained teeth. Top on the list would be regular visits to the dentist for a thorough cleaning. Yellow-stained teeth can sometimes be caused by the buildup of food stains that are not normally eliminated during brushing. The recommended number of visits to the dentists is about twice a year, although you may want to set that to once every 4 months for better results. There are also procedures that a dentist can perform to get rid of the yellow stains on your teeth, chief of which is through laser whitening. Ask your dentist about the options that you have and decide from there. Colored beverages and sodas, as well as coffee, also contribute to the yellow stains on the teeth, so it is best that you refrain from drinking these if not necessary. Sodas also contain a lot of sugar which can create cavities in your teeth if not brushed properly. Water should work wonders for you instead, as it contains fluoride which helps strengthen teeth against cavities and gum problems. You probably have noticed a lot of dental products such as mouthwash and toothpaste that are incorporated with whitening ingredients. These will work to get rid of yellow-stained teeth to a certain degree, although don't expect to have immediate results once you start to use them. Lastly, good old baking soda can help you get rid of the stains on your teeth and get your pearly whites back. Baking soda rubbed on stained teeth on a regular basis has been proven to considerably whiten teeth after a period of usage. You may also want to try other methods which were not mentioned in this video. Be cautious in anything you apply to your teeth. Getting rid of yellow-stained teeth should be done with safety in mind, especially since teeth whitening products will have direct contact with your mouth. Before using any teeth whitening product, check all labels to ensure you're not using a product which could harm your teeth or damage the enamel. For more information how to whiten yellow-stained teeth, click the link in description.